Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to make a very simple and useful infrared object counter using CD4O6 IC and a 7-segment display. It counts how many times something passes between an IR LED and receiver. Let's start building it step by step on the breadboard.
For our project, we need these components, make sure all are working well, and this is the circuit diagram of the...
First, connect the positive terminal of the IR LED to the positive rail of the breadboard. Then take a 470 ohm resistor, connect one end to the negative leg of the IR LED and the other end to ground. Next, we connect the IR receiver. Connect the negative terminal of the IR receiver directly to the positive rail of the breadboard. Yes, we are using it in reverse bias mode. Now place the IR receiver very close and properly facing the IR LEDs so they can easily detect the signal when something passes between them. Take your potentiometer and place it on the breadboard. Use a wire to connect the positive side of the IR receiver to terminal 1 of the potentiometer. Now connect the wiper pin and terminal 2 of the potentiometer together with a short wire. Then take another wire and connect this wiper point to ground. Place the first BC5 for 7 transistor on the breadboard. Similarly, place the second BC5 for 7 transistor right beside it. Take one 1000 ohm resistor and connect one end to the collector of the first transistor and the other end to the positive rail. Do the same for the second transistor, one end of another 1K ohm resistor to its collector and the other end also to positive. Connect the emitter pin of both transistors to ground using wires. Now take one wire and connect the anode side, or you can say the signal output side, of the IR receiver to the base of the first transistor. Next, connect the base of the second transistor directly to the collector of the first transistor using a wire. Take a 10 microfarad capacitor and connect it between the collector of the second transistor and ground. Make sure you connect the positive leg of the capacitor to the collector if it's a polarized one. Now let's place the main IC CD4O6. Put the CD4O6 on the breadboard and make sure the small notch or dot is on the left side. Connect pin number 8 of the CD4O6 to ground. Connect pin number 16 to the positive rail. Short pin 2 and pin 15 together with a wire. Then connect pin number to 2 ground. Also short pin 3 directly to pin 16, that is to positive. Now take your 7-segment display and place it nicely on the breadboard. Most common ones have 5 pins on top and 5 on bottom. Keep the decimal point facing downward at the bottom. Connect a 1K ohm resistor between the common cathode pin of the 7-segment display and ground. Connect pin number 1 of the CD4O6 to the collector of the second transistor. This will give the pulse to count. Now let's connect the segments. Segment A goes to pin 10 of the IC. Segment B goes to pin 12. Segment C goes to pin 13. Segment D goes to pin 9. Segment E goes to pin 11. Segment F goes to pin 6. And segment G goes to pin 7. Finally, connect the positive of your battery or power supply to the positive rail of the breadboard and the negative to the ground rail. That's it. Your infrared pulse counter is ready. Power it on, adjust the potentiometer until it counts properly when you pass your finger or any object between the IR LED and receiver. The display will show numbers from 0 to 9 and then roll over. If you face any problem, just comment below and I will try to help.